Confidence, the power to believe in yourself.
Confidence begins within.
Confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build through experience, learning, and believing in yourself. Every successful person once had doubts, but they chose to move forward instead of giving up. Confidence begins the moment you decide to trust yourself. 2. Face your fears. Fear is natural, but confidence grows when you face it. Every challenge you overcome makes you stronger. Don't wait until you're fearless. Take action even when you're afraid, because courage is confidence in motion. 3. Learn from failure. Failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of success. Every mistake teaches a valuable lesson. Confident people don't let failure define them. Instead, they rise stronger and wiser after every setback. 4. Speak with confidence. Your words reflect your thoughts. Speak clearly, listen carefully, and communicate with kindness. Confidence is not about speaking louder than others. It's about speaking honestly and respectfully. 5. Confidence grows through preparation. Preparation builds confidence. Athletes train before competitions, musicians practice before concerts, and students study before exams. The more prepared you are, the more confident you become. 6. Stop comparing yourself. Everyone has a different journey. Comparing yourself with others steals your confidence. Instead, compare today's version of yourself with yesterday's. Progress, not perfection, is the true measure of success. 7. Confidence inspires others. When you believe in yourself, you encourage others to believe in themselves too. Your confidence becomes a light that inspires family, friends, and future generations. 8. Stay humble while staying confident. Confidence is not arrogance. Truly confident people remain humble, respectful, and willing to learn. They celebrate others' success while continuing to improve themselves. 9. Believe in your future. Every dream begins with one decision: to believe in yourself. Trust your abilities, work with discipline, and never stop learning. Confidence turns ordinary people into extraordinary achievers. The future belongs to those who believe they can create it.